Hello, this is like the fourth take I'm taking, and I'm just like swinging into this shot here because I'm tired of retaking this. It's been a while. Prepared some black signs for next week. They're super fun to carve. They always look very sharp and modern. They're kind of hard to stain. They always leave these bubbles and stuff, so always very delicate. There's another one. I stained 2 of them. Okay, this video is all about 4 military signs. I was contacted by Brooke on Instagram. She's well known for a reality show that aired a couple years ago. I think it was Hogan's Knows Best, and then there was Brooke Knows Best, stuff like that. And so she contacted me and needed 4 signs made for the military. So we got it all set up, we got it all figured out, and got the designs approved. And so that's for our family in Nashville. She owns a interior design company in Nashville, and so family is 4 active military personnel. So it's husband, wife, daughter, and son, all actively serving in the military. We have, let me try to remember, we had 1 Space Force, 1 Army, and 2 Air Force emblems to carve. Brooke was in a hurry. She needed them by Friday, so yesterday. I got the ball rolling and we shipped them out last Monday, and they got delivered Wednesday. So not did we knock out that order fast. We also were 2 days faster than she needed them, so that's pretty good. So here's the video. I took a couple time lapses and stuff, how I made those signs, so do enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.